Hello everyone and welcome to the demo of ZeConcile. ZeConcile is an AI-powered smart invoice reading and data extraction tool. If you are an accounting firm that manages the accounts for multiple clients, or if you are a business of any size and manage your own accounts, then ZeConcile will be useful for you. There is a high chance that you follow the practice where you get all your invoices in a PDF, JPEG, or PNG format, and then you open them on your computer one by one, or maybe you take a printout of all the invoices and go through them one by one to manually copy over the data from the invoices to an Excel sheet. If yes, then ZeConcile can make your life easier and save you hours every day. Let's dive straight in. You can process up to 20 invoices in one go, but for the purpose of this demo, we have randomly selected 5 invoices. These all follow different formats and some are even handwritten. I am simply going to drag and drop these files into the dashboard and wait for the magic to happen. We're done here, and as you can see, 5 invoices have been successfully scanned and meaningful data has been extracted and neatly arranged in the respective columns. Now, let's go and see a couple of invoices and exactly what data was captured. On the left-hand side, you have the original version of the invoice. And on the right, you can see the extracted data. We were able to capture the invoice number, invoice date, GST number of the seller, business name, address, and state. For the buyer as well, the buyer's GST number, business name, registered address, and state were captured. In addition, all the goods and services that were a part of this transaction were captured by each line item. For each line item, their respective HSN or SAC codes, the unit price, number of units, CGST, SGST, IGST, and the total amount are also captured. And finally, at the total invoice level, the total billable amount, the total CGST, SGST, and IGST are also captured along with the grand total. Now that you have verified all details of the invoice and are satisfied with the results, just hit approve and move on to the next invoice. Now, we will see a handwritten invoice. Note that this is a JPG image that was clicked using a mobile phone camera. The invoice date and invoice number were captured accurately. The details of the seller and the buyer were accurately captured too. All business details will be automatically fetched from the GST portal just by adding the GST number. The product details values were captured as well. In case some corrections are needed, they can be done here in the respective fields. The billable value of the products, quantity, taxes, and the total value was accurately captured. More line items can be added if needed by clicking on the Add Goods button here. Now, after verifying the final values at the invoice level and finding everything to be accurate, hit Approve button. Finally, let's quickly look at a third invoice here, which is of a different format than the first two. Here also ZeConcile has managed to capture all invoice details with 100% accuracy. So, just click Approve. After all of the invoices are approved, simply click here to download the details in a CSV or an Excel file and use it as you please.